Today we are going to discuss the Unit 5 in the Mathematics 2 subject. The Unit 5 is a vector integration. Unit 5 is a vector integration. In this vector integration, what are the topics is means? First is a line integral, second surface integral. Next there is a three theorems will be there. Green's, Gauss, Stokes. These three theorems based on the problems. ఈ త్రీ థీరమ్స్ చదువుకున్నామంటే యూనిట్ 5 అయిపోయినట్టే. ది త్రీ థీరమ్స్ కవర్స్ ద లైన్ ఇంటిగ్రల్, సర్ఫేస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్. గ్రీన్, గాస్, స్టోక్, దిస్ కవర్ ద double integral, triple integral, surface integral, everything. So the totally fifth unit is nothing but Green, Gauss, Stokes mainly. So one more important topic is the line integral. So that is also important. So now in the unit 5, first line integral. So the line integral is, you know already in a single integral a to b f of x dx. So now the line integral, the form may be of the form. Wait a minute. The line integral of the form integral f bar dot dr or integral pi dr. Okay. So like this single integral. So line integral. In this, first we will learn the main important is a work done by force. I think this topic here in the physics also we will learn here mathematically. What is a work done by force means? If f bar is a vector, f1i, f2j, f3k is a force vector, is a force vector, is a force vector. In the physics you will say it's a force. Here I am saying force vector, which are the ijk. Force vector acting, this force is acting on some particle, acting on some particle. ఈ ఫోర్స్ అనేది ఒక పార్టికల్ మీద అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. ఈజ్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ ఏ పార్టికల్ టు మూవ్ along curve AB. So we are taken force vector F bar which is acting on a particle, some particle. When force vector is acted, what will happen? It will move along the curve AB. ఒక ఫోర్స్ వెక్టార్ తీసుకొని ఆ ఫోర్స్ వెక్టార్ ఒక పార్టికల్ మీద అప్లై చేస్తున్నాము. ఆ పార్టికల్ మీద అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? టు మూవ్ దట్ పార్టికల్ along the curve AB. During this position vector, listen here everyone, when moving along the curve AB, to move small displacement. What is that small displacement means? Small displacement dr. What is the small displacement? Dr. To move small displacement, what is the r bar position vector? Xi, yj, zk. Then what is a dr? Dr is nothing but dx into I, dy into j, dz into k. So to move small displacement dr, work done by force F bar. Physics you already learned. What is the work done by force? Force into work done. What is formula work done? Force into displacement. It is a what? Force into displacement. So to move small displacement dr, work done by force is a F bar into dr. Small displacement, force into displacement. Total work done is nothing but integral a to b f bar dot dr. So what is the formula, work done formula? Integral a to b f bar dot dr. So you have to remember this formula. So when you say what is the work done means integral f bar dot dr. So now here what is the f bar dot dr? So f bar already you know, f1i, f2j, f3k. Okay, you know dr also. What is the dr? dxi, dyj, dzk. So that is nothing but what is this value? f1i, f2j, f3k dot. What is the dr? dxi, dyj, dzk. Do its dot product. So what will get? Dot product I into I1, f1 dx, f2 dy plus f3 dz. So f bar dot dr value, indirectly what is this value means f1 dx, f2 dy, f3 dz. So this is how you have to remember. But go for the problem. So problem. Listen here. One question compulsory on the work done by force is a very simple also. Different formats will be there. Different formats ఉంటాయి. కానీ ప్రాబ్లం చాలా సింపుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. f bar equal to 3xyi minus y square j. Evaluate integral c f bar dot dr. Evaluate integral c f bar dot dr. F bar dot dr means work done by force. What you have to evaluate? Work done by force. Where c is a curve y equal to 2x square. What is the c curve? Y equal to 2x square. In the xy plane 0,0 to 1,2. ఇక్కడ ఒకటే విషయం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. He given f bar is asking work done by force. That means integral f bar dot dr you have to find. That's all. You have to find the which value? Integral f bar dot dr value you have to find. Okay. Along the curve. ఆ పార్టికల్ ఎక్కడ మూవ్ అవుతుందంట? y equal to 2x square పారాబోలా షేప్ లో మూవ్ అవుతుంది. When it is moving like a parabola shape to 1,2. Solution is very simple. ఒకటి నీ మైండ్ లో ఉండాలి. f bar dot dr find out చేయాలి. So now f bar equal to what is the value? f1i, f2j, f3k. So what is the dr? dr is equal to dxi, dyj, dzk. So what is the f bar dot dr? F bar dot dr is equal to what is that? f1 dx, f2 dy, f3 dz. So now come to your question. When you come to the question, what is the given? F bar equal to 3xyi minus y square j. Okay. Compare with this one. F bar equal to compare this with f1i, f2j, f3k. Compare. So what is the f1 value? f1 equal to 3xy, f2 equal to minus y square, f3 equal to what is f3 equal to 0. Nothing will be there means f3 equal to 0. Next he said xy plane. Xy plane means in xy plane z equal to 0. Z equal to 0 means what is that? dz is also 0. Question itself is said in xy plane. In xy plane means z equal to 0. Z equal to 0 means dz equal to 0. So now next page. Integral c f bar dot dr. Integral c f bar dot dr is a what is a we are calculated f1 dx, f2 dy, next f3 dz. Integral c f1 dx, f2 dy. Just now you got f3 into what is dz value? 0. Just now we got in xy plane. So integral c f1 dx, f2 dy. So now what is a C curve? In the question, what is given C curve? C curve is nothing but what is a C curve? Y equal to 2x square. What is C curve? Y equal to 2x square. So now where C is a y equal to 2x square. So now we'll do one thing. Okay, wait a minute. We write first substitute its values. So integral C, what is the f1 value? Previously just now we have what is f1? 3xy. 3xy into dx. F2 value. What is F2 value? Minus y square. This one. Minus y square into dy equal to, sorry, into dy. Okay. F1 value 3xy dx. F2 value minus y square dy. So now that means integral C 3xy dx minus y square dy. So what is the C curve now? C curve is a y equal to 2x square. This problem, whatever this problem is there, you totally convert into x or y. The problem ఏం చేయాలంటే మొత్తం x లోకైనా y లోకైనా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకో using this y equal to 2x square. So now y equal to 2x square, what is the dy value? Dy equal to 2 into x square differentiation 2x, x is a dx. So what is its value? Dy equal to 2 to the 4x dx. So using these two results, with the problem 1, this problem 1 convert into in terms of x or in terms of y. Next, limits we need. Moving where to where it is moving? 0, 0 to 1, 1. In the question itself is said, what is that? 0, 0, 0 to 1, 2. The particle is moving from 0, 0 to 1, 2. So if you, this is x limits. What is x limits? 0. X limits 1. Y limits 0. Y limits 2. So the problem you convert either x or y. X convert చేసి x limits తీసుకో, y convert చేసి y limits తీసుకో. So now 1 implies, listen here, that means integral C, integral we do in the next page. So what is x limits? X equal to 0 to 1. What is the y value? 0 to 2. So now 1 implies integral C, what is that? 3xy square into dx. What is that? Sorry, 3xy dx. Next, minus y square dy, minus y square dy, integral 3 into x into, what is the y value? What is the y value? 2x square. So in the y place you substitute 2x square into dx. What is the y value? 2x square y square whole square dy value. What is dy value? 4x dx. Dy value, what is that? 4x dx. So total problem converted in x. So x converted means x limits. X equal to, what is that? X equal to 0 to 1. See here, 0, 0 to 1, 2. What is x limits? 0 to 1. So problem converted in x. So you take x limits. X equal to 0 to 1. So now integral x equal to 0 to 1. What is value? 3 2 is 6. 6x cube dx minus how much? 2 square 4 4 is 16 x square whole square x power 4 into x If you want, I'll write one more step for you. For example, what is this value? 2 square means 4 x power 4 into 4x dx. Okay. So now integral x equal to 0 to 1, 6x cube into dx, 4 4s are 16, x power 5 into dx. So now integral x equal to 0 to 1, what we can take, 6x cube minus 16 x power 5 dx. So now 6 into x cube integration x power 4 by 4. 16 into x power 5 integration x power 6 by 6. What's the limits? X equal to 0 to 1. So now 2 1s are, sorry, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. These are 6. 2 3s are 2 8s are. 3 by 2 into x power 4 minus 8 by 3 into x power 6, x equal to 0 to 1. So now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. 3 by 2 into 1 power 4 minus 8 by 3 into 1 power 6, lower limit 0. 3 by 2 into 0 power 4, 8 by 3 into 0 power 6. So what is value? 3 by 2 minus 8 by 3. Okay, LCM. What is LCM? 6. 3 3s are 9. 2 8s are 16. So what will get its value? 16 minus 8. 3 by 2, 8 by 3. 16 minus 8. How much its value? 7 minus 7 by 6. Okay, so this is the answer.